Hello everyone, this lesson we're going to show you another instrument transformer calculation. So this time I got a 3-phase 3-wire supply and I have 2 PTs, each is connected between 2 of the lines, and I have 2 wattmeter. Like we mentioned, we can use 2 wattmeter to measure 3-phase power, 2 CTs with 2 ammeter down here. So the supply, the line voltage is 5.9 kilovolts. The PT is rated 6 kilovolt to 120 volts. The CT is rated 200 amps to 5 amps. It's 3-phase balanced load. Wattmeter 1 reads 180 watts. Wattmeter 2 reads 120 watts. So from the rating of PT and the CT, we can find out the PT ratio is 6 kilovolt. Divided by 120 is 50 to 1. CT's ratio 200 amp to 5 amp is 40 to 1. So wattmeters multiply equal to this PT's ratio times CT's ratio, give me 2000. Now look like as this circuit. I have a 1 PT connect between line A and the line B. Another PT connect line B to line C. If you remember, we're talking about open delta connection. So those PTs is actually connect open delta. So the secondary of this open delta, I have 3 voltmeter down here. When we have open delta, if we connect properly, is this 3 voltmeter going to have the proper reading? It should, right? So sometimes people usually to confuse with, they're not going to make a mistake on these 2 voltmeter reading, but lots of students will make a mistake on this voltmeters reading. So this is the open delta. So 3 voltmeter, we read the same value. It's all read secondary line voltage. So make sure you understand this voltmeter 3, it's also reads secondary line voltage. They will have the same reading as voltmeter 1 and the voltmeter 2. Now we have 2 wattmeter. As we connect them, they're going to measure 2 of the line current. They're going to measure the potential line voltage down there. They will have the reading down there for the total 3-phase circuit. So primary line voltage 5.9 kV is delta connected. Phase voltage 5.9 kV. The voltmeter reading going to be the phase voltage on the primary side divided by the PT's ratio. So 5.9 kV divided by 50 give me 118 volts. The PT is open delta connected. That's where I want to emphasize that part. Voltmeter 1, voltmeter 2, voltmeter 3, we both read 118 volts. So don't make the mistake. Some people gonna think voltmeter 3 gonna read different. Voltmeter 3 still reads 118 volts. Then total wattmeter reading is equal to the 2 different wattmeter reading add up is 300 watts. So the power in the 3-phase circuit above there is going to be the wattmeters reading times wattmeters multiplier, give me 600 kilowatts. So this is a pretty easy circuit. The only thing people like to confuse is forgot this 2 PT is open delta connected. If you have any question, you can connect us online or send us emails.